Hi guys, the Montego Bay series continues, and today I'll be showing you one of the newest Airbnb located right here in Montego Bay, St. James. To all my fellow adventurers who have been here with me since day one, I thank you, I appreciate you, I love you. And to all the new adventurers here on my channel, please hit the subscription button, right? And if you haven't checked out the last series of vlogs that I've done on my city, Montego Bay, then please make sure you go and check them out after they finish watching this vlog. Alright, now we're here in Greenwood, St. James. This is a nice peaceful community, right, which is located on the outskirts of the St. James and Trelawney border, but it's still in St. James, right? And I'm here at Aurora SuitesJa in a pre-exclusive tour, and we're gonna go straight into it. As you can see, there's ample parking right here. So that's the first thing I want you guys to see, that there's parking at this Airbnb. There's greenery. There's a lot of, it's just nice and inviting. We have a little veranda or a patio, whatever you want to call it. I'm drinking some water, just chilling, right? Right, now to enter, you have to either put in a code, you can tap, or you can use your fingerprint. Yes, people, the time I push key in a door there is gone, right? And this is it. And as I entered, I saw this beautiful mirror, and I was feeling myself. Me and my assistant, my lovely friend, were feeling ourselves. So I had to take it back because I kind of missed everything what I was supposed to show you guys. Right, so let's do this again. You enter, and there's a nice entryway, right? The mirror is there. You have a nice little plant. Look at this. It's just beautiful, right? Now each room has a different color theme, and this particular room was the yellow color theme, right? And nice living space, right? And if you look above in the ceiling right there, there's some LED light strips, the colored ones that are remote control, right? And here's a closer look at them so you guys can see. So right now it's pink, and you can go to blue, yellow. You'll see as I go along in the video, right? Now let me show you the rest of the place. So obviously there's a dining area. This is the dining table, right? You can see 4. There was a lot of artwork on the wall. No bad days, that's how we're feeling right now. This is the kitchen. We have 3 bar stools, so adequate space for people to sit there, plus ample cupboard space, right? Everything was yellow, down to the knives and the forks and stuff. The cups were yellow, right? Like I said, ample cupboard space. We have our fridge, which is stainless steel, right? If you watch Real Housewife of Atlanta like I do, you know how Neely felt about a white refrigerator, and that's exactly how I feel as well. Anyways, right? And as a real Jamaican, I go in that place and open the cupboard. We have tea. You have to have tea in a Jamaican home, right? So this Airbnb has tea, and we have the little containers for coffee, tea, and sugar as well. That's the coffee maker right there you're looking at, right? And there is also a toaster and a kettle, right? So it comes with all of these stuff, right? And here's another look at the dining table, right? Guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please head over there when you finish watching the video. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. That door was just storage, which is why I never really went over there. And this is our half bathroom or powder room, whatever you want to call it. You can see the toilet, and this is the face basin. Nice, clean, another mirror as well. So that's downstairs. Now we're gonna head upstairs to the bedrooms, right, to see how they are. Now this bedroom right here is a queen size bed, and as you can see, the LED lights, they continue throughout the entire Airbnb. That's the theme. Again, this is the remote. They're all remote control. I've been struggling. I'm trying to show you guys how it look. I'm still struggling, but as always, right, my trusted good friend is there to assist me. Chong, I love you very much, right? You're such a good friend. And there, you see the different colors: green, blue, yellow, pink. But yeah, so this is the queen size bed, and as you can see, you have storage on either side, 2 night tables, right? We're gonna head right over to the closet as well, just showing you more storage. Abundant hangers for all of us who want to hang up our clothes. There's an iron board there as well as an iron, and each room has a beautiful view. This one has a view of the pool. Don't worry, we're gonna get there. Yes, there is a pool on the property. You can have access to it. But this is what I loved. On the balcony, you have one of these woven egg swinging chairs, right? They're kind of like a hammock, but they're a swinging chair. Love. So you can just go out there on the balcony, kick back, relax, enjoy all of the views of the mountains and the hills and all of that. Now on to the next bedroom, right? So the next bedroom, as you can see right here, has 2 full-size beds, right? So the Airbnb can host up to 6 persons. So this one that I'm showing you is a townhouse, and they have the studio as well, and we're gonna get to the studio. Now right here I finally got the hang of the remote, and I felt good within myself, so I'm showing it off. All right, I'm showing you the different LED colors. So that's blue, right? And then we go to yellow, right? And then we go to pink. Yeah, me feel good about myself. I'm gonna finally get it. There is also a safe, as you can see, and the Wi-Fi is right up there in the corner, and that is Orbi. I'm gonna talk more about that later on. Now for the bathroom, right now each room has a bathroom. I never showed the bathroom in the other room, but the other room has a bathroom as well, and there's a bathroom in this area. So the mirror on the wall as well has lights around it, right? There's a nice face basin, and then this is our shower, right? You know the new style shower, they only have 1 door part, and our rainfall shower head with our handheld shower as well, toilet and everything. Beneath the wash area, the face basin area, we have storage, right? Adequate storage, and there's a little bin in the corner as well. Now if you want to come and book here, you can book it with all your friends. This is a back door, right, that carries you out onto the back area, which connects the rooms together, as you can see right here. So if you and like you know, want to do an old school link up with all of your friends, them, and it's like 10 on and so forth, so you want somewhere, you guys can just come and book it here, have easy access to the rooms like I'm just showing them, right? So this brings us back into one of the other double rooms, right? And then we'll go over, and you know, it's pretty much the same, right? Now let me talk about the cost. Ooh, before I get there, right, stay with me. This is the Wi-Fi I was talking about. It's Orbi satellite Wi-Fi. Yeah, so each one of the townhouse have one of these Wi-Fi, and like I said, it's Orbi, so it basically allows for there to be connection to the other satellites throughout the property, and it creates a mesh system, so there's connection right throughout the property, right? I'm gonna head back down the stairs. Just give you another look at this townhouse. So this is a red theme. The first one was yellow theme, and this one is the red theme. It has the same amenities like the others, right? You know, dish drainer, stove, microwave. Guys, if we're loving this video thus far, remember to give it a like, comment below, let me know what you've liked thus far, right? Now let's head over to the studio part. So these are the townhouse look on the outside. Now we're gonna head up these stairs, and I'm gonna show you guys the studio Airbnb. But before I do, I just want to point out that they have a washer and dryer on the property. So if you come here and you want to spend a long period, you know, a week or so, or even 2, you don't have to worry, there's washer and dryer here. Now this is our studio, right? So this obviously is the blue room, right? It's giving me, you know, on the sea vibes, giving me ocean vibes, you know, I like it. And there's a full length mirror right there in the corner. Other rooms have full length mirror as well. And this is the bathroom. The bathroom is pretty much the same replica like the other one, right? But again, sometimes I miss stuff. So there's a blow dryer, and I wanted to demonstrate to you guys that it actually works. So again, my friend for the win, right, Chong, I just wanted to demonstrate to you guys that, you know, it works. Right, so now this is the kitchenette. So as you can see, there's a microwave, right? It's whirlpool, so you know, only the good things them, right? Only the good things them. Then we have a little sink right there for wash. There's a dish drain as well, another kettle, and there's a toaster as well. When you open the drawers, right, there is knives and forks, and then in the bottom drawer there will find the frying pans, and in the cupboards there are plates and so forth. Now I know you guys looking around, maybe you're looking wondering where the stove is. Here it is, guys. This is a portable stove, right? So no need to worry, there's a stove here. So if you want to come here and do a little cooking, here it is. So there's a portable stove. And just to demonstrate, I want you guys to see that it works. You see it turned red a while ago? Yeah, and it was heating up, but I turned it off a while ago. Right, and right here we have our dining area. Right, you can have a seat with you and your lovely significant other or whosoever, the sneaker link, whatever, you know. This is the fridge. Right, we have water inside, guys. There's no smoking inside any of the rooms, but each room has a nice little balcony, and there's a pool outside, so if you want to smoke, you can head out there and do all of that. And there's also an air conditioning unit in each one of the rooms. Right, again, this is the storage area for the studio. Right, safe, the safe is there. There is an iron board, we have hangers, and we also have an area for you guys to put your shoes. Right, oh, and guys, one thing I forgot to mention is that all the mattresses are pillow top mattress, or maybe I should say Tempur-Pedic mattress. And I don't know if you go out, you pay attention to those stuff, but those stuff matter to me. All right, again, guys, look at the full length mirror that's right there. All right, so like I said, Tempur-Pedic mattress. Now let's go over to the view. Right, this is a window, and at the window there is mesh, so you don't have to worry about the mosquitoes. Right, and you open that window and that nice fresh breeze, that nice fresh Jamaican breeze just greets you. And this particular suite has a view of the pool, and since we're looking at the pool, let's just go over there and just complete the tour. Right, now this is the pool area. You can see I'm in the jacuzzi, I'm chilling, I couldn't wait. Right, and there's also a bar area. I was gonna come back around to it, and there is a projector which is right here. So you know, if you're here and you want to watch a movie, or you want to do a little Netflix and chilling, you know, or if it's a nice group of you guys and you want to do karaoke, then this is the perfect spot. Right, and you can be here whether in the day or in the night, because the water is actually heated, and I'm gonna go into that. Now the pool area, guys, swim at your own risk. There's no lifeguard on duty. Right, so but it's not that deep. Right, but you know me, I'm a water body, so that doesn't really matter. But the most it is 6 feet, so it's not that deep, so no need to worry. And like I said, the water is heated, so you're not gonna be cold. Again, guys, don't mind me, this is me being extra, this is me putting it in slow motion for you guys. You know, I'm trying to get my Baywatch on and all of the above. Also, guys, if you're loving the swimsuit, right, and if you like the top that I was wearing in the other clips, right, then be sure to check out my Shein vlog, right, my Shein Christmas haul. Right after you finish watching this video, you check out that video, watch the ads, watch in full, like, comment, all of the above. Yeah, so you finish swimming, everything, you just make yourself over to the shower. As you can see, it's a rainfall shower head, and there's also a multifunction handheld shower as well. Now, guys, some pertinent information which might be useful. This Airbnb is half an hour from the Sangsters International Airport. Right, so you guys are flying in, coming into Montego Bay, then you want to know the distance it is. That's a good time period from the airport, and it's the highway, so even though it's half an hour, you can be at least up to 15 minutes as well. Also close by is Martha Brae rafting. Martha Brae River rafting is 15 minutes away. There is Fadable restaurant for those who want to get their food. There's also Glistening Waters, and if you're looking for somebody to bring you all these places and so forth, then I'll be your tour guide. Right, this right here is some of the different packages that I can do, but just shoot me a DM and I'll be more than willing to set up an itinerary for you guys. So the link for my IG will be in the description below, as well as my TikTok. Remember to hit me up over there. Also, we'll be leaving the link for Fadable restaurant, which is less than 5 minutes away. You can get authentic Jamaican cuisine. Alright, as well as the link for this Airbnb, obviously. Now, guys, the prices might fluctuate with time, but you're probably wondering what is even the price, because I haven't mentioned it as yet. But don't worry, I am getting there very quickly. Alright, now next thing that I want to highlight is that they have a kitchen here. Right, this is the kitchen area. Now, if you book the entire Airbnb, that means all 3 townhouses, all 3 studios, then it comes with a chef, and it also comes with a bartender. Right, now to book the entire place, that's Alright, so that's $1,771 per night. Alright guys, so that's at least 16 guests, that's 8 bedrooms, 11 beds, 10 baths. Alright, so if you want to have, you know, like a, let's say a family reunion or even a high school reunion, and you're looking for somewhere where everybody can be and be comfortable, then this is your spot. Ooh, they also have an outside grill right here, and you know, you want to get your grill on if you want to put that by the pool area as well. And they also have a Jeep that's available for rental, so you guys can talk to them about that and see. Now again, so I'm just doing a quick walkthrough so you guys can look at the townhomes again. Now the cost for the townhomes, if you're just doing one single townhome, right, that's $322 per night, and that's for 4 guests, but it can hold up to 6 guests, so it would be an additional $25 per person per night for the townhome. Right, so that's $322 per night for 4 guests, but if you want, it can hold up to 6 guests, and it's $25 per night for the additional persons. Right, that's, and then the studio, now the studio that we went through would be $101 per night. Right, this is the studio that I'm talking about. Alright, so that's $101 per night, holds up to 2 guests. As always guys, remember in life everything, prices are subjected to change. Okay. Alright guys, these are just some pics showing how the place looks at night with the LED lights on. This is the studio apartment, that's our upstairs, and that's a garage area. This is the single bed that's in the townhouse area. This is how the pool looks at night. The pool again, isn't it beautiful? Oh guys, they also have hookah available, so if you guys want it, it's available for rent, along with the fruit basket, which is also available guys. And again, man, telling you, no mosquito to a thing. Right, they have the mist in there to help to keep off the mosquitoes and all of them nice up there. Bloopers! Me struggling to open the fridge. Honestly, I don't know why I was struggling so much. Right, and the struggle continued because I was just struggling to open the window again. It was already open and I was closing it. Me struggling to close, but the people them draw. Nothing wrong with the draw, you know, I just me. Right? The struggle just kept going on and on and on. Again, you know. But you know, I just saw life go. I never did realize that we did what me told right at the end of the clip. We not got play it off, right? A lot of background noise. That's always my issue, which is why I do a lot of voiceovers. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Like this video, share this video, comment below, make sure you click the link in the description and book this Airbnb, and DM me for a tour as well.